Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Gary Bettman Investments. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Cardano's hard fork upgrade, which is coming September 22nd. So we're going to take a look at the fundamental side of things, and then we'll look at the technical things second. Um, but yeah, for most people that are investing in Cardano, this could be an exciting time. We could see not a huge pump in price, but if the upgrade goes well, we could see it move up to, well, I'll show you guys in technicals, but possibly 70 cents, maybe even 80 cents. But pretty much what this document is explaining is that this upgrade will be the most significant to date for Cardano. It's going to bring increased network capacity, lower cost transactions. Obviously, for people who use the network, they're going to be very happy with lower transactions. It's going to bring enhancements to Plutos, which is Cardano's smart contract platform. And yeah, lots of people have been waiting for this upgrade to come. It's been pushed back multiple times. But pretty much to sum it up, really what the Vasil upgrade hard fork is pretty much designed to increase Cardano's scaling capabilities. Um, it will help improve uh, the development of the smart contracts and decentralized apps. And if all things go well, it should increase network capacity. And like I said, you should have lower transaction costs. But let's take a look at the technicals now. And we're first gonna look at the log chart here. And for me, what stands out at first is this demand zone that we have here, this rally base rally. And this zone, if you want to mark it down somewhere, is between 0.295 and 0.357. So this is the area where I would personally look to accumulate accumulate Cardano. If you already have some or you don't, just because this is where I expect smart money or institutions to have orders. But yeah, will this happen before will we see the price pull back to here before September 22nd? I think that's kind of unlikely, unless we see some kind of sell-off in the market before this upgrade happens, or something with ETH merge next week doesn't go as planned. But because right now, pretty much this is pretty much just a no man's land right here. Not doing much, just consolidating. I mean, for a bear market bottom, that's probably what you want to see before we eventually move back up and see a move to the upside. But for me personally, it's come back, see a nice little pullback to this zone, and then a push back up, looking at targets of $1.18, almost $2 there, and then back almost all-time high at $2.80 before we break this area here and we look for, or we're into price discovery mode. But if this doesn't happen, if we don't see price move back to the zone, there's another possibility that you could look for a trade or accumulate more of. We'll go into regular scale now. And the main target that I'm looking at is almost 75 cents. And we could get a pump there if the upgrade goes well. But personally, I'm looking at this descending line of resistance to break. Look for some bullish confirmation candle and then take it long up to 75 cents as the main target. Obviously, it could go higher, but that's kind of like it could probably go all the way to $1 if it's if the market's bullish, or if everything goes well with the ETH merge and Bitcoin's pumping, we could see a move up. Just be aware though that there is supply at 60, right around 63 cents, and right around 54 cents. So I mean, technically speaking, price could come up here. We don't see the breakup, we get a rejection, and then all of a sudden we're coming right back down to test these lows, and maybe all the way back down to the demand zone, which is a likely spot where I'll look to accumulate and personally makes sense based on supply and demand to go and accumulate more ADA there for the next cycle. That's pretty much all I had to explain. Got the merge for ETH next week. Could see a pump for Bitcoin this week coming up. Like I said, ADA is kind of just in no man's land, not doing a whole lot. I think if the upgrade goes well, we'll see a nice move for ADA to the upside. But with that said, as always, if you guys enjoyed the information I gave you, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment what video you want to see myself do next, or interest that you might have in crypto. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.